Hello dear student of BSc second year class semester 3rd and paper is real analysis first. Paper number is 7th. Real analysis paper is real analysis first and number is 7th. And our lecture is second. Today we are going to discuss what is meant by order field, definition of ordered field. In previous lecture we have discussed what is meant by field structure. You revise once again what is meant by field structure, then you can easily understand what is meant by order structure. So let we discuss definition. So in definition, a field S, say here, S is field. So what is the field? In previous lecture, we have already discussed what is meant by field. In field, if there are 11 properties satisfies, 5 properties with addition binary operation and 5 properties with respect to multiplication binary operation, and 1 property is addition distributive over multiplication, that means AM property is there. You revise it yourself. What is given there? Now we discuss here a field S is an ordered field. If it satisfies the following property. If some property is satisfied by the field S, a field S is an ordered field if it satisfies the following property. And first properties we indicated by O1, that is order field property first. And what is that? Law of trichotomy. This is the first order, or this is the first property of ordered field, and hence we indicate it by O1. What is O1? O1 means first property of ordered field. So it is very trivial. Look this. For any 2 elements, AB belong to S. So S is field. If we choose any 2 element of that field, any 2 element A and B are any 2 element of the field S, one and only one of them following is true. So see what will happen. If we choose the any 2 element A and B belong to the field S, then either first element is greater than second, or both element must be equal, or second element is greater than A. That means A greater than B, A is equal to B, or B greater than A. Nothing is possibilities there. Simply, if we consider the 2 numbers of the field a real number, suppose we are discussing about real number, and you choose yourself any two real number, suppose 5 and 7. So what is the possibility? 5 is less than 7, or 7 is greater than 5. That means in field, if we choose any two elements, then there is a one relation, that is either the element is first element greater than second element greater than first, or both must be equal. So this property is called law of trichotomy. Now, second property, we indicate it by O2. And what is the O2? That is the law of transitivity. So, student, actually, we have seen this. What is meant by transitivity? In equivalence relation, we discuss about it. What is the transitivity? So here, for the any ABC belongs to S. So A, B, C are three elements of the set S. And if A is greater than B and B is greater than C, then A must be greater than C. Like if 2 is greater than 3, 3 is greater than 2, and 2 is greater than 1, so obviously 3 is greater than 1. It is very simple, you understand it. So this is the transitivity. Now next is order third, and that is the compatibility of order relation with addition composition. Compatibility of order relation. So what is the compatibility of order relation with addition composition? We discuss. This. For the any two element ABC belongs to S. ABC or any three element belong to S. And if A greater than B, so here A plus C must be greater than B plus C. That means if we choose the field of real number, I take particular example, 3 greater than 5, 5 greater than 3, no problem. And if I add any fixed number on both the sides, suppose I add 2, adding 2 on the right side, that is 3 plus 2, and adding 2 on the left side, that is 5 plus 2. So we get 7 is greater than 5, no doubt. So this property is called compatibility of order relation with addition. Compatibility of order relation. Now this third property, compatibility of order relation with addition composition. And what is that? And that is this. For the any ABC belongings to S, A greater than B, then A plus C greater than B plus C. Now this property is also satisfied for the multiplication. That means compatibility of the order, compatibility of order relation with multiplication composition. So for ABC belongings to S, A greater than B, C greater than 0, remember this thing. Then AC must be greater than BC. That means if any one number is greater than second, we take particular example. Suppose example 5 is greater than 3, and we choose C as 2 which is greater than 0. C is 2 which is greater than 0. And if we multiply by these 2 on left and right side of this inequality, then 5 into 2 greater than 3 into 2. Are you agree? Yes. 10 is greater than 6. But what is the restriction is there? C must be greater than 0. In compatibility of order relation with addition composition, there is no restriction for the C. But in compatibility of the order relation with multiplication composition, there is restriction. And what is that? C must be greater than 0. So dear student, if any field, see our definition, a field S is an ordered field if it satisfies these 4 properties. Order 1, that is law of trichotomy. Then order 2, that is transitivity. Then order 3, that is compatibility of the order relation with addition composition. And order 4, that is compatibility of order relation with multiplication composition. If these 4 properties satisfied by the any field S, then that field S is said to be ordered field. We discuss example. First example, the set of natural number. So this is a set of natural number. Set of natural number start from 1. Start from 1. So it is not filled. It is not filled because you can see what is the definition of field, what is the order structure. In the previous lecture we have already discussed on it. So set of the natural number is not a field because it has no identity element, no inverse element with respect to addition and so on. However, it has an order structure. It has an order structure. But it has order structure. That means if any 2 number we have to choose. If we choose any 2 numbers, then we can decide order relation between them, transitivity, compatibility of order relation with addition. That means all 4 properties of the order relation is satisfied. That means it is order structure, it has order structure, but it is not a field, and therefore set of natural number is not order field. If you choose any 2 number, then you can decide which number is greater, which number is the smaller, law of trichotomy, law of transitivity. We can show that. But it is not field, and hence it is not ordered field. It is same like the natural number in set of integers. In set of integer I, there are 0 plus minus 1. It is also not filled because it does not has multiplicative inverse. So therefore it is not filled. But it has an order structure because we can compare any 2 integers. We can compare which integer is greater, which integer is smaller, or compatibility of the order relation with multiplication composition and also with respect to addition composition. We can show trichotomy law for this set of integer, but it is not filled, hence it is not ordered field. But the set of rational number and set of real number, see here, set of real number. So set of real number is a field, it is field structure, and set of rational number is also field structure, and therefore this has ordered field. Therefore, this is ordered field. So, student, today we discussed on ordered field. What is meant by ordered field? So, any set S is said to be ordered field if it satisfies all four properties. Some sets satisfy all four properties but not satisfy the property of field, and therefore those types of or such a types of sets are not said to be ordered field structure. So I suggest you, students, please read our syllabus books, and some more examples are there. Here we have just discussed 3-4 examples. You can study more examples in our syllabus books, and our syllabus book is Principle of Real Analysis, S. Malika and Savita Arora, New Age International Publishers. So, student, in the next lecture, we will discuss on interval, open interval, close interval, etc. So, thank you for watching. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel for new updates on our syllabus course. Thank you very much.